This year marks 50 years of the Golf GTI. Now, Western Motors are not just Volkswagen dealers, they're enthusiasts, and they have everything from the Mark 1 right the way up to the Mark 8.5. And now they've actually added the crown jewel, because this is the 7.5 Clubsport S. You see, some cars are rare and some cars are special, and sometimes they're both. And this is definitely that, because this car, as it sits here right now, has 13 miles on it. That's right, 13 miles on it. It's absolutely immaculate. But you see, this car won't be treated as just a show pony, because James, the owner here in Western Motors, is going to drive this car. So this is James McCormack, and James is the managing director of Western Motors. So did you just buy this to put it into your, for the 50? Is that why you're buying this one?
Oh, no. This is the part of a long journey. The fact that we have the edition 50 coming this year,
yeah,
I kind of suppose that was that tied into it. The whole journey started. I started in the Volkswagen game in the 80s. About 6 or 7 years ago, the opportunity came up to buy an absolutely immaculate Mark II. And as a result of that, what started as one car has turned into a small bit of an obsession.
I've already told the viewers about the mileage on this car. Are you sure you want to drive this thing? We're going to go out now, are we?
Listen, you only live once. Life is for a living. What's the point? You hear about these cars that are bought and put in air-conditioned rooms and never driven. So this car has literally never been driven.
So our first spin.
Well, I tell you one thing, Colin. Sorry, Colin.
Go on.
Car business, a lot of days, it can be hard going.
It can.
This is one of the good moments.
It certainly is.
Huh? This feels gorgeous. Huh?
What's it like versus your other one?
It's on 19s, and it's not hard at all.
No, it's not.
It's not hard at all.
Even sitting here, it's connected. You can feel that it's planted on this side.
Yeah, and the brakes are gorgeous. They're just boom.
Was it worth
the wait?
No
question about it. Worked away.
Yeah, so far in our tiny drive.
Yeah, it only took 60 years.
That's all.
Well, the edition 50, by all accounts.
Yes.
The edition 50, which we'll get during the summer.
Yeah.
By all accounts, all the magazines and that are saying once you get the performance pack, it's an absolute belter. I can see why, Evo magazine, I think it was 2017.
Yeah.
When they said this came second to a GT3 RS.
I can believe
that just tells you how impressive it is. And did you notice, by the way, it's manual?
She's manual, yes. And it's got the old traditional golf balls.
It's got the golf ball. I was ages looking for it.
Yeah.
Ages and ages and ages looking for it, and then bang, up pops black Clubsport S with 12 miles on it. Well, what are you going to do? It just had to be added into the collection.
Yes.
We're at a heady 17 miles now.
17 miles.
We've nearly put 50% on the overall mileage, and we're stuck behind the Tiguan.
It's probably your fault for selling it to them.
Yeah, I know. I think we should have told them to close the roads. We want to use this thing properly. Hold on a sec.
We have modes.
We'll be bold. Oh yeah, some days it's good to be a Volkswagen dealer.
It certainly is.
And we're lucky enough. We have a 40th edition Clubsport. Beautiful car to drive. It's lovely, but this is just on another level. We're also lucky enough we have an edition 30,
Yes.
which is a Mark V, and that is, until today, that was my absolute favourite GTI. It was a Mark V, it's a DSG, it's 230 brake horsepower.
Oh yeah.
And it's only done 16,000 miles. It's utterly immaculate. Until today, that was my favourite.
So we're back from our mental spin, and it was fun. Was it worth the wait, James?
Absolutely. That was a hoot. If you don't enjoy that, you enjoy nothing.
Where can people see it?
Well, it'll be here in the garage in Galway for now, and we'll have it up in Drogheda as well, and we'll have it at Cars and Coffee in Galway this Sunday.
This Sunday.
Yeah, I'm just going to bring it along for the crack.
Come out and look at it, because as you saw there, James wants me to drive it. He's more than happy to let you come out and look at this car properly. He's not like the usual owners of these things. Come down and see this car. Thank you so much.
Welcome, Colin. It's good fun.
Really appreciate it.
Yeah, good fun.